everyone, hope everyone's had a really good week so far. So the boat building news roundup for this week. The Refit International team, who are well known for working with some of the most iconic super yachts globally, providing a spectrum of marine engineering and outfitting services to shipyards and vessels throughout the world, have announced they are teaming up with RI-BoatCare Cornwall Boat Storage, and they've opened up a brand new facility in Cornwall in the southwest of the UK. So specialising in Superyacht Tender Toys, refit and repair, this premium indoor temperature controlled facility has an incredible array of on-site services ranging from in-house CNC machines for customs covers and upholstery, to retubing, paintworks, engine servicing and overhaul, drive legs and jets, composite repairs and gelcoat, teak decking, replanking and joinery, retubing and rewiring, glass and caulking, and custom stainless fabrication. So they provide full launch, recovery and haulage services to ensure that you can make it to wherever you are located in the UK or Europe. And the first Cheetah Adventure family catamaran is going to be launched at Southampton International Boat Show next week. This is the first boat show in the joint venture between Cheetah Marine and RS Marine Group of businesses, which include RS Sailing and RS Electric Boats. So the all-new Cheetah Adventure 720 builds on all of the qualities of a Cheetah boat and uses the one design production boat ethos which RS Marine Group is well known for. So the collaborating companies have created a spacious family-style catamaran, which they describe as a real off-road vessel. It's low maintenance and all-purpose, a workhorse which will open up access to beautiful coastlines whilst comfortably accommodating a large family. So the Cheetah Adventure's spacious deck provides plenty of room for fishing, socialising, storage or overnighting. And to make it comfortable for all the family, the new catamaran comes with an option for an onboard pop-up tent, an onboard toilet, barbecue, galley, freshwater deck, shower, deck tent, fishing rod holders and more. And the Archipelago Expedition Yachts, in partnership with Chartwell Marine, is launching its Archipelago 47 catamaran at Southampton International Boat Show. So the company says it has 3 build slots available with delivery around October 2023 onwards, and is offering discounts to anyone that orders at the show. So the Archipelago 47 will be available to view on the Marina berth M168 at the show. Founded on the high-power multi-hull workboat expertise of Chartwell Marine, the Archipelago 47's robust and ocean-capable design is born of a strong commercial heritage, while also offering the safety and comfort of a leisure vessel, says the company. So it can accommodate up to 8 people with 4 cabins and has a top speed of over 20 knots with an ocean-capable range. So with an optimised hull design and opportunities for cleaner propulsion, Archipelago says that this boat answers the rising call in the leisure market for sustainable alternatives to traditional emissions-heavy monohull super yachts. So the vessel's recyclable aluminium double hull from not only reduces water drag to increase fuel efficiency and stability, but also offers an adaptable foundation for a range of customisable propulsion options, including hybrid and electric. Hope everyone's got a great weekend planned, and if you're at the show next week, send me over a message and I'll see if we can catch up.